So this is our fully functional 3D printed RC Jeep that we made. It's all told about 220 individual parts and close to about 270, I think, roughly hours of total print time.
Okay.
It's fully functional. Everything opens, everything works. We have the battery back here in the tailgate.
Okay.
Right there. And like I said, it's fully functional. It has close to 200 screws went into this thing and a bunch of hardware. It has shocks. Everything works. It's a fully drivable RC car. We have another video where you can see it. You can see it running. And this is what it looks like. The underside, it's got standard RC shocks. It's four-wheel drive. The gearbox is under here. You can't really see it, but it's a pretty low gear, like crawler style, four-wheel drive. And
okay.
Yeah.
Tell me about the tires.
The tires are just 1/10 scale store-bought RC tires that we 3D printed these rims, but just the rubber part of the tire is store-bought. And the shocks here are store-bought, but basically everything else is 3D printed. And this is the controller that we use to operate it. And I'll show you what you can see. It is four-wheel drive.
Nice. Very nice.
And suspension's nice and springy, and it runs really great.
Tell me about this.
Yeah, so this is, we just used a piece of plastic that you can actually get from Kinko's, of all places. It's like a cover for manuals and stuff. It's thin plastic, and we made the windshield out of that. And the model is very detailed. If you take a look at the dashboard, literally everything is there. The steering wheel turns. You can adjust the mirrors. The doors open. So I'm very impressed with this model.
Very nice. Okay, thank you.